Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Yep, we're clear. I've learnt to take a long look up this road now. See if there's anything coming down the narrow bit. What are they carrying? It's like a mattress. Yeah, it is. Interesting. Ooh. Evening, guys. Hey. Evening.
Evening. I thought you were an officer then.
I might look like it, but I'm not. Trust me. Only in my spare time. Oh, it's one of the little e-bike things. A little geek buying, whatever. But he's not switched it on because the lights aren't active. You. There's a question I want answering. I was sat here having my lunch. An old Oriental gentleman walked past me and he walked over in that direction. I'm pretty sure he's gone off towards St Anne's Square. I'm pretty sure he's gone off to St Anne's Square down that alleyway there. I have questions. There's a guy I watch a guy. There's a guy I'm subscribed to on YouTube. His name's I don't know how to pronounce it. Soy Blacko, Soy S-O-I and Blacko B-U-A like K-U-O, something like that. I follow him on YouTube because he does transport videos. He has some stunning, I mean stunning, video footage from like the dying days of British Rail and even the glory days of dieselised British Rail when stuff was all loco hauled. The dying days of loco hauled and the transition onto multiple units. He's got some stunning video of that era, sort of like late 1970s through the 1980s into the 90s. And he still does stuff now. He still takes rail footage and bus footage. Well, he's got some bus footage from the 80s, from around the London area and the Thames Valley. He's primarily based around the southern, but he does foray up and down the country, and he has been known to do bus videos, particularly modern stuff, in Manchester. He was in Manchester in February. That was one of his more recent videos that went up. I want to know if that was him, because when he walked past me, he was holding, right, he had his hand out, and he had a camcorder strapped round it, a Canon camcorder. I want to know if that was him. I want to know if I've had a brush with the elusive Soy Blacko. Because I've subscribed to this guy for ages, and the stuff he produces is top notch, absolutely top notch. It's just absolutely cracking, and I'd love to meet the dude. I'd love to just, shake his hand ish. The time we're in at the moment, maybe not. So you know the kind of thing. I'm just telling you how good his fucking content is, because it's stunning. But have I just missed my opportunity? I don't know. I want to know where he's come from and where he's going. Oh, they've changed him. They've changed the advertisement board. There's now some fucking blue robots sat on a mountain. Which looks like it's just somebody's rockery. Worst mountain ever. I don't know how much air this has got on it. I think it's started to weaken. Oh, his eyes light up. Oh, oh, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Little robot sat on the fake mountain. I knew there was something special about that. I knew it couldn't have been all that I saw it for. Oh, that's genuinely cute. Genuinely. By the time I'd done that, I might as well just gone up to Great Ancoat Street, so... yeah. We'll go up to Great Ancoat Street. I wonder how many of these bars have been shut for COVID. Quite a few, I should imagine. Testing your sirens, what the hell? He's coming up here now, isn't he? Oh. I thought it was oh, is it a bacon breaking? I'm gonna stay because I don't know. Am I right to go? Yeah, alright. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was being pulled over. Ah, fair enough. Have a safe night, guys. I thought it was being pulled over. What the fuck? They pulled up behind me like it was fucking... They pulled up behind me like it was fucking pull over, get... Oh, what? You have never... The amount of sheer adrenaline coursing through my veins at that moment, I was like, what the fuck have I done? Okay, glad they were on a different call. Shit. Indicate to the left like a good boy. Wait your turn. Yikes. Broken headlight. Could have been. Oh, motherfucker.
We're gonna let it just